Good afternoon, it's Tom Wills here from One Marine down in Torquay, and this afternoon in today's video we're going to give you a quick look around this 2006 Phantom 46. And why would people buy a Phantom 46? Well, one of the reasons is, other than it's a great boat, it's one of the first boats you get of this size that comes with 3 cabins. So this is a 2006 example. She's got the Volvo D9s, which so it's slightly later generation. Some of the earlier Phantom 46s didn't have the D9s in, but this one has. Great all-rounder. She's been here for a couple of years now, this particular boat. Sellers are just moving on to something different, going to get out boating for a while. But let me just jump you on through here, and you jump straight through into this really nicely sized aft cockpit. Now, if you've been on a Phantom 40 before or a Phantom 43, you'll know that those areas are great, but where they probably struggle a little bit on size-wise is this aft cockpit. But on here, you've got ample space. You've got these really nice steps here leading up to the Flybridge, which look really, really nice, and a nicely done Matique as well. But there is ample room out here for a couple of director's chairs. You could easily seat 3 or 4 people along there, no problem whatsoever. Fairline, so you've got beautifully stainless steel polished opening door, which is really nice. Not a triple opener, but it is only a twin opener, but there's still plenty of room. Jumping into the saloon now, we've lifted the blinds, but as soon as you step in here, there is just so much room, and there is a lot of light as well. The boat itself, if you look at things like the headlinings, often this style of boat, age of boat, you've got issues with headlinings, but I would say on the whole, this is all very, very good. You've got lots of storage in here, so you can see there's a drinks cabinet in there. You've got a rise and fall television that comes up from there, which is really good. Just a push of a button, so you can see that just pops up. So nice feature there if you're sitting in the saloon to watch television. Nice open galley arrangement, so you can see here dehumidifier running, which is always nice to see this time of year. But really nice galley arrangement. Always like the Fairline of this generation fridges. Nice handle on there, and then you've got an electric microwave and electric hob. The boat's fitted with air conditioning, so you'll see here we've got the cruise air electronic controls for the air conditioning. Has a passerelle, so if it did want to go to the med, it has got the ability for that to happen. Just standing back in the galley now, you can really start to see how much room there is on board this boat. I always thought this grab rail up here on the ceiling on this generation of Fairlines was a good idea. Up at the helm, a couple of nice things to talk about here. So the previous owners have actually updated the navigation gear. So you've got these twin Garmin setup screens, and then an updated VHF radio as well. You've also got the bow and stern thrusters there, side power, which is really good. So with shaft drive, so this boat's fitted with shaft drive. So if you're not sure what that is, maybe have a Google. But it's as you would always say, it's as a child, you would draw a boat with 2 propellers at the bottom and shafts. I thought this is quite a cool idea. I've done a couple of trips on Fairlines like this, and it's quite good to have your charts in there, so you can stick your passage plan, your charts, and it's just really nicely done. Sadly, you don't tend to see that much more anymore. Autopilot, so it's Garmin Autopilot as well. And these 2 helm seats at the helm are nicely done with sort of adjustments there if you need to. So as I mentioned, it's one of the first boats really of this sort of size that comes with 3 cabins, which for a lot of people is very important with bigger families. So port side here, you've got a twin bunk room, which is nice with some storage, 2 portholes as well. Starboard side here, you've then got a nice double berth in there, which is really good. Again, lots of head height, nice to walk into. Quite a bit of storage in there, evil lit as well. You can see the air conditioning outlets throughout. And this cabin's actually a ensuite cabin. I'll have to go the other way because that door is locked. So this doubles up as the day heads. One thing I think Fairline always do very nicely is their bathrooms, or ensuites, heads, whichever word terminology you want to use. They're always done really nicely, not over fussy, just nicely done. You've got these really nice large walk-in showers, which is great, and then you've got an electric toilet down here. But it's all nicely done. I've got plenty of room, and then you can see that's the door there back into that starboard side cabin. Nice little window there, and then you're into the forward cabin. So the forward cabin, which is the master cabin on this boat, is a good size. So I've got lots of head height, which is carried all the way forward, so I can walk right up to the bed, and then to get into the bed, it's quite easy just to step up on those side steps there. Plenty of storage here as well, and then you've also got a shelf there tucked up above that piece of bullnose, which wraps all the way around there. You see again, as I mentioned earlier on, all the linings are really good order, no issues with anything hanging down. And then in here you've got another hanging wardrobe space, which is good. And then this cabin is of course ensuite, so opening this door back into another nicely proportioned ensuite with another walk-in shower and a basin there. I'd probably say it's equal size to the other heads, maybe slightly smaller, but all in all a good size. Underneath the stairs here, you've got a bit of storage that lifts up on a couple of gas rams, and you can see there you've got a washing machine, a washer dryer, so that's really nice as well. Good place to keep things stored. And then you've got access to the engines through here, so you can either lift up the hatch at the back, or you can lift up these large lockers in the saloon floor here to get access to the engine room. If I just sit here on the saloon seating, I mean, this really is a very, very comfortable boat. There's lots of room in here, and you could easily spend a week, if not longer, on here with family or friends. The boat does, of course, have a Flybridge. I'm going to cheat a little bit today because the Flybridge has a huge all-over cover on. I'll take you outside and just show you around, but you'll see what I mean. It's got a huge tonneau cover, which we have taken off for our photos on our website, but to take it off is quite a mean feat. So I probably won't take it off today for this video, but like I say, if you head to our website, onemarine.co.uk, you will be able to see the Flybridge fully uncovered there. And we've got some great drone footage of this boat as well. You'll spot up there, for the eager ones, idle ones amongst you, you'll see she's got a Garmin open array radar as well, which is all part of that upgraded navigation suite, which was put on by the previous owners, which is a really, really nice feature. So if I just jump back into the aft cockpit without falling into the water, I'll quickly turn the camera around and say thank you very much for watching. We're really getting some good traction on our latest videos, and we appreciate all the new watchers, all the new subscribers, all the new comments. So please, if you could add to that list, that'd be great. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and if you're really feeling kind, drop us a comment. More videos to come next Friday. This is our social media Friday. So for now, have a great weekend, everybody. Speak to you soon.